Hi nail friends, and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be doing a simple depowder nail design using Revel nail clear depowder. So let's get right into the video. So my nails are already cleaned and prepped, and I'm using my Cherael Sky Bond to dehydrate my nails in preparation for my dip application. Then I apply my Untitled peel-off base coat for easier removal. If you want your nails to last longer, you should skip this step, and then I wait for them to dry fully. Now for this video, I'm using my Vivian Clear and my Diamond Dust glitter. So I placed some of the Vivian Clear in a container. I did about 10 scoops, and then I placed some of the Diamond Dust glitter. I believe I did 5 scoops, and I mixed them together. Now starting on the index finger, I apply a thin layer of base to the entire nail, and then I sprinkled the mixture on my nails and I tapped off the excess. I did that for all of the nails. Since I'm using my non-dominant hand to do these nails, I work a little bit slower because I'm not as precise with this hand. Any wrong move and the powder would be on the cuticles and it would look a mess. So I go at a slower pace and take my time so that I can get a neat manicure. I really liked how this design came out. It's really subtle but super gorgeous. I wanted something that was simple and still stood out, and this really worked. So whenever you all want to make a design pop a little, Diamond Dust glitter always does the trick. I'll leave a link to where I got my glitter in the description. So then I did another layer to build the structure of the nails, so I'll leave you guys to watch and I'll be back shortly. Now I'm using my Revel clear depowder to encapsulate the nails. I did 2 layers of that, but I'll only be showing 1 layer. I did the second layer to build the thickness of the nail. One would have been fine, but I just thought it needed a second layer. Sometimes your nails may crack, and the reason for that is because the nails aren't thick enough and the nail bends, thus it leads to a crack in the nail. So build up the nails a little, just don't make it too thick. Then I applied activator, waited for the nails to harden, then began filing. This is after filing of the nails, and I'm applying my Model 1's gel top coat, and I cured for 30 seconds. Then I apply my cuticle oil to rehydrate my skin and nails, and this is the finished look. So if you like this video, you're going to want to check out my other videos on dip powder. Click the videos you see on the screen and don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Bye guys!